A few weeks ago, I purchased this rear loading beach bomb set on eBay for a mere $20. I was a bit hesitant at first, but I decided to give it a chance because I am not the owner of one of these models. If you're a Hot Wheels enthusiast, then you'd know that the most expensive Hot Wheels is a pink rear loading beach bomb valued between $100 and $150,000 and is owned by Hot Wheels collector Bruce Pascal. So the model came with everything it needs to be fitted. It came with the wheels and axles, base, windows, interior, and the two surfboards. I fitted the wheels to the axles and realized that they were wobbly. They did not fit as good as a ordinary Hot Wheels or Red Line would fit. And I base, however, had some patina, but I still did not believe that this was a 1969 model. As you can see, it is very wobbly. Maybe this was one of the reasons why they were discontinued. I'm not so sure. Another thing is that here I am drilling out the posts, and Mattel did not use screws to assemble their toys or their models back in 1969 on until now they haven't used any screws. So I refitted everything again just to make sure that the car rolls, and it did rolls, but not as good as it should have. And as you can see, there's pitting on both sides of the casting in the exact same spot on the left and on the right. So I used some degreaser to degrease it and rinse it off with some distilled water, and I'm going to use hot pink to give it this paint job. The pink rear loading beach bomb is considered to be the most popular of the 1969 series rear loading beach bomb models that were discontinued due to its inability to perform well on the tracks, mainly because they were too narrow and also they were top heavy. They were only built as prototypes, and about 40 of them are known to be in existence in various conditions. They were given to the workers who then gave them to their children. One of those workers was a foreman by the name of Bob Perez, who gave his to his son. And his son claims that he did not play with his mainly because of the problems he had with it on the track. His was a red rear loading one, which is considered to be one of the rarest. And in 2017, it was valued between $100 and $150,000. So I ended up giving this car about 6 coats. It is kind of tricky to paint with Spectra flame paints. You have to give it quite a few coats for it to reach the desired color. The first few coats you might not see much difference from the casting itself, but as you go along the color gets brighter, and that's the reason why I end up giving it about 6 to 7 coats. So the model was left to dry for about 24 hours, and after it was dried, I clear coated it with a red line clear coat and left it to dry. Now all that is left to do is just to assemble it, and Here you can see I am assembling it. Take care not to leave any fingerprints on it. Suppose of a hand towel. So there you have it, my hot pink rear loading beach bomb. This is by no means the most expensive Hot Wheels, but it will certainly look good in my display case. Thanks for watching, guys, and please do remember to subscribe.